Yeah man, viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another video. You know it's your boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking down. So across the river you know. Yeah man, I shoot video up here so already. So I shoot back video up here so because I always like the view and the scene up here. So today is another great video. So today we're up on the river again. So today I do some spicy jerk burger, you know. So that's it I do on the river today. So I use some grinded beef, garlic powder. And then it seems like we're all gonna get rain. The jerk season, jerk marination season we I use. So I'm gonna add some green scallion. Pimento seed. Guys, if you happen to see the video finish, you know what I mean? But right now the rain has come down. So I'm gonna use some meat season. So I use little sweet pepper, so I'm cutting up them as fine as possible. I'm adding scallion, onion, thyme already. A while ago guys, the rain come down, I swear say it did go affect the video, but God is good, God is in our favor today, you know. Yeah man, so I catch up a fire, we just make the hood burn down to cool because you know you don't want too much heat on that because a burger, you know, a minced beef and it's not going to really take no long time to prepare. So I'm using just a little bit of scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm adding just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Yeah, and I'm gonna use some bread. So the bread and the egg is the binding agent. So I'm using a native egg. You know, in Jamaica we call it common fowl egg. So I'm using one. So I'm just mixing it. And then leave it to marinate for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes gone. Put on one of the burger meat. So a spicy beef burger today. A jerk spicy beef burger. Take them out because I don't want too much heat under them. Most likely are the cool. And just take them time and slow cook. Yeah man, so I'm turning the burgers. The aim of it is just to make it take its time, flip it as many times as possible and make it take its time on slow cook. a go on. Too want too much heat under it, man. So guys, if we never pack up already and stuff, like the vlog would have finished, but when we just reach at the scene, like the rain come down, so it was mad to go back home. Then we hold off just a little bit, and then eventually, you know, the rain hold up, which is very good. Yeah, so this is my little grill. This is my little mobile grill. Ready to turn. Yes guys, so I'm currently checking on it again. As you can see like it's springing up. So basically you just want to take time and slow cook some more. So I'm just flipping it accordingly, because I just want to take time and slow cook, because I'm not really in a rush. So I'm going to wash off the tomato and the rest of the vegetable then. I'm going to use garnish the burger and add in the water, some lettuce. And man, is another great video today again. The boy Caribbean Vibes cooking. So I'm taking my time and grow the channel. You know, make the channel be a nice adventure channel. You know, where everybody can basically watch the video them and enjoy watching the video them and learning accordingly, same way. So I wash off the lettuce there. Then I want an onion for yours. Alright, so I never know too man will love the onion. So I put one small piece in myself. Man, so the burger soup done now guys, so the soup get full. Man, so in the meantime, you know, say I toast up the bread them down. Toast up the bread them. So I'm not using no cucumber today on the burger. Yes, you know, whatever me cook pertaining to the things that me like. You know what I mean? For example, some people love pickles. I don't like pickles. So anything what me not like, me not put in what me cook. You know? So even when me look about like vlog with pork, yeah, me do vlog with pork pertaining to person who watch the video and want to see the video them. Because I don't really eat it, but I still do it. And then so I'm going to add on the cheese. Cheese go and melt. Yeah, and now watch how I put on the things them guys. I have a the garbage bag, put them in. I lit up the river. It's always good to help take care of the environment, you know. Happy vlog finish, you know. Trust me, I swear. lettuce on it. Alright, no onion ring sea boss. Split of the boss one. One, so this is one of my burger, you know. Yeah, so I can add any amount of toppings of me you want, you know. Vegetable. And the onion helps it add a good flavor to the burger, but not everybody like it. I love all of the mayonnaise. I want the mayonnaise. I'm going to put for this burger here today. Yes, sir. Yeah. Right, that's why I sit down and eat my burger today, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Burger bad. Yes, guys, so man, I tell you, that was epic, right? One of the best burgers I eat for this long while. Like when I eat off my burger, I'm like, what that's like, why me just only make like 2 normal burger, but nevertheless, good vibes, you know? Just sit down and go and cool off a little bit. And then ready to get a shower and get ready to hit the road again, you know what I mean? But otherwise, thanks to always supporting the channel. Let's push the channel to a 10,000 subs, you know? But that's just a matter of time. We know that it's just a matter of time before the channel reach the 10,000 subs. So we just have to just keep on putting the work and just be consistent and just be positive. But thanks to the support, thanks to everyone who has supported the thing. Thanks to who now support CM, we really appreciate. Remember, we're just there just to chill out today. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Always a good view when I come up here just to watch the water run. You know, so we soon get ready for good one, you know. So.
Make it see you, man. See you.
Yeah, people are all that.
Easy enough.
Boss, now I go up on the vlog today, guys. Yeah, man, but mosquito them a bite, you know. Why am I tell you, say? Because we have to cross the stream to come over on the next side. Even after that, like the mosquito then start bite because the mosquito repellent wash off all the beard, and then you know what time it is to go home down. Yeah, man, so we have to go home so I can get the video for watch. Swear. But yeah, spoon there up here. I wash off my face. Wash off some of my oil off of it. Face feel greasy, guys. So you know, so we go end the video now. You want please like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you in our next video. We're out.